Hey guys, we've had a lot of people asking us about how to add photos to Campedia. So Donna has done up a video about how to do it. So let's cross over to Donna and go and watch how to add photos.
Okay, obviously we need to have the app open first, and I'm going to use the Gibb River crossing as my example to show you guys how to add photos. So go into the location by clicking on the photo. That'll open up. It'll give you some details down the bottom of the screen about the location, and if there's already photos in it, you'll see some photos at the top. All we do is we swipe sideways through those photos until we get to this screen where it says add your photos here. There's another button there called more. That just means there's more photos in there for you to look through. But we're going to stop here. As soon as you see the add your photos here, we're going to select that button, and it takes us into this screen where we have two options of adding photos. We'll go through the first one, which is take photo. So let's select the blue one. Now what this means is we're just taking a photo while we're here at the location. Now I've turned my phone sideways into landscape mode because that's a preferred method of photos. I understand there's times where you need to take a portrait photo, and that's fine. All it means is it'll be cropped until you actually tap on the photo and go into it to see the full photo. So we'll take a photo here in landscape mode. Now it brings you into this screen where you can have a look at your photo, and if you like it, you simply choose the choose button down the bottom right hand side, or if you don't like it, hit the cancel button down the bottom left hand side of the screen. So I'll select choose. What this does, it brings us into this screen where we can go and take another photo. Okay, so I've walked around now. I'm going to take a picture over there of the toilets. Phone landscape. Have a look at your photo. Yep, let's choose it. So you just keep running around and taking photos. Bear in mind, you can only upload 10 photos at a time. Okay, so once I've taken a few photos, I scroll to the bottom of my screen and I hit the big orange upload button. That then uploads them all to our back-end system in Campedia to be approved, and then they'll be pushed live to the app. Just be patient with this because depending on your internet speed and where you are, it may take some time. You'll know when it's uploaded because you'll get a thank you for uploading your photos message. So we'll wait for that to come through. And there you go, just like that, the blue screen, thank you for adding your photos. Now to get out of this area, we simply hit the cross up the top right hand corner. That'll take you back to the previous screen, and the backwards arrow, which will take you back to the location of the map. Okay, so now we're going to use this same location for our next example. So we'll go into the location. Again, scroll through the photos until we get to that screen that says add your photos here. Select that. Now we're going to use the add from gallery. So select the orange one. It'll take you into your camera roll. So this is if you've previously taken photos and haven't had a chance to upload them yet. So we go into our camera roll. I'm going to use these 3 photos down the bottom here. Select the photos you want, bearing in mind again, you can only add 10 photos at a time. Select the done button up the top right hand corner of your screen. And this is the same. We go through, if we like the photo, we select choose. If we don't like it, we select cancel. So I'm going to choose these 3 photos. Scroll to the bottom of the screen and hit the big orange upload button. And again, the same thing happens. This goes to our backend system to be approved and then push live to the app. So you'll know when they're uploaded when you get the blue message saying thank you for adding your photos. Just like that. To get out of it again, same process. Hit the cross button, takes you to the previous screen, the backwards arrow, and we're back to the map where the locations are. Well, I hope you find this video helpful, and if there's anything else you'd like to see how to do on Campedia, don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you.